What is going on YouTube? In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you my motor swap. As you can see, I pulled it out of my EG Coupe because cylinder 3 and 4 are gone, as you can tell. Right now I'm just trying to separate the transmission from this D15B7. I got this D15B2, yep, off Facebook Marketplace. I don't know if it's a junk engine or not. I spun the crank already. It doesn't sound like anything's hitting or grinding or anything. He had told me he pulled it to put a B16 in one of his Hondas, so he didn't need that D15 anymore. But today I'm just gonna time lapse me dropping the or not really dropping, more of a sliding the motor under and then dropping the car to meet the motor mounts. But I'm kind of stuck on this transmission separation part, but just need to get the starter off and then should be good to go. Peace. So I finally got the transmission pulled apart. There's my clutch and pressure plate. And here's the transmission. So in great condition. I never had any pops and grinds with that transmission at all, even at high speeds, any of that sort of thing. I started on the other block, deleting the IAC, just rerouting the coolant like that. The oil feed is going to be already on there. Took off the cover right here just so I can see everything, all the belts and pulleys. Also put the new water pump on with some RVT, and just need a new head gasket. I was gonna use the other one, but it's probably not the best idea because then I have to pull it all apart if it doesn't work out. But right now I'm just waiting on my cousin. He's bringing hopefully his boosted Accord. He's just gonna help me pull off this flywheel because it's being a pain in my ass. Can't really get those bolts off, so I'll figure something out. But in the meantime, I'm just gonna wait. Probably try a few other things on the motor, but I'll let you know. And we're back. There's John. He made it finally. Brought his boosted Accord. Took it for a spin a little bit, and works great. Put the new turbo on, blue turbo. Has a screamer pipe, and he has the wrapped side pipe. And he has the flex fuel sensor right back there, if you can see, with the little orange pigtail. But haven't wired it up yet. We're gonna go get it tuned soon. We just took the transmission. We're gonna drop the chassis and see where it goes from there. See if we can get it in and do the damn thing finally. But we're gonna time lapse it, so hit you up. Peace. Good morning, and we are back finishing up my Honda. Everything's pretty much in. I got the turbo All set up, heads on, torque down. I think I talked about that already. Coolant lines, injectors, intake manifold, all that jazz. All that's left is pulling off the oil pan with the oil return on it. Right here. And just oil and coolant. I could probably start it up. Nothing much to it. There's a few more things I have to button up. Tension the alternator belt. Just some small things, but other than that, I'll time-lapse everything, and today's the last day to work on it. I should be driving today, so hopefully everything goes well. I'll let you guys know.
She kind of puts my head in gear. Such a turbocharged affair. Spinning, spinning and wheeling. But given the time, I might come back down. But it feels so good, my feet don't touch the ground. Everybody knows I'm crazy about you, just can't stop thinking about love.
Yo, yo. It's time. Everything is back together. Intercooler piping's on. No coolant right now. I'm just gonna start it, see if it runs. Hopefully it turns over. I'll take you guys with me though and see how the first initial startup sounds. Hopefully nothing's slapping or popping. But this is it. This is the grand finale right here. That's super dead. I'm gonna need a jump. Everything sounds good though. Turned over fine. But I'll get back to you when I get that jump. Peace, peace. Alright, we're back. Tahoe's back here. It's all batteried out. You see what it sounds like. Here goes nothing. Sounds super dead. Almost fired up though. It's really close to firing. Staying optimistic. So that's that. I mean, I gotta figure out what the hell else is going wrong, but everything else sounds great. It's just like a little misfire or something. We're gonna figure out where it's coming from. Other than that, everything seems good. I don't think there's any leaks or anything. Oil filled up right away. No leaks under here. But I'll get back to you when I figure it out. And I'm back. Same day. I just got new spark plugs. It just misfires a little bit. I'm trying to figure out if it's injectors, distributor, the ignition wires, or the plugs. But I'm gonna do the plugs first. I'm just gonna change them out real quick and get back to you guys. All right, so I'm back. Put the new spark plugs in. About to start it. Super scared. Don't know what's gonna happen. All right, let's open Honda real quick. Okay, let's fire it up. figure it out. I'll be right back. What's up, YouTube? We're back. And it's pretty late at night, and the lens is dirty. Let me clean that real quick. Much better. I swapped the new head onto it. Turns out the old one right here that I had put on, some valves were stuck. So I put this new one on, bolted everything back up. There's no coolant in the system or anything, so I can't run it too long, but I'm gonna do a first startup. Oh my gosh. You guys hear that? Oh my god. That is the best sound I've heard in a long time. It feels like finally a good running motor put together by me. I'm just blown away. It all worked out. There's no coolant, obviously, like I said. The water pump was actually leaking a little bit, so I'm gonna have to redo the gasket on that. Guys, it's freaking back. I'm pumped. Time for some more videos and maybe some more throwing rods out the front, or who knows. But she's freaking back, and I'm freaking pumped. All right, well, this concludes my video. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy these videos. Peace, peace.